Hi, my name is Olamide. Welcome to Fashionspire Academy. Today, I'll be teaching you how to sew straight lines as a beginner. If you're interested in fashion and sewing, and subscribe, let's get started. Now, these are the things I'll be working with. This is my calico. You can also use a muslin, my scissors, my chalk, my tape, and my ruler. Lastly, I need my machine iron. So let's get started. We're going to be cutting on fold, and the measurement we're working with is 12 by 12 inches. So since we're working with 12 by 12 inches, this side we need it to be 6 and our length 12. I'm just going to go ahead and type it. I'll also create a border line. You want to use a matching chalk. Then my length is 12 inches. I'll go ahead to mark 12 inches. Same thing for this side. Then I'm going to connect my lines. I need my pins to hold it down. Now I'm going to measure 6 inches, which when it's open will be 12. And connect it together. In this class, a lot of our measurements as beginners would be 12 by 12 inches, which on fold is 6 by. So now I'm going ahead to cut it. Keep this aside. Next thing you want to do is to open it up. And press it again. Now I'm going to use my pencil to mark. We're going to start by imputing 0.5, 0.5, and 0.5, and then we're going to connect the lines together. We're going to do this all the way to the end. Now this is what we have. We're going to take it over to a sewing machine. Now we're here and we begin to sew. You want to overlock. how we reeled the last time, but this time around we have another reeled thread that I'll just insert into it. And then we'll continue. At this point, I lost my audio. I didn't realize that, but just go ahead and sew it all the way to the end, which is what I'm doing. And now we've gotten to the end. I'm just going to sew the last one and show you what next to do. Also remember that you need to continuously iron it as you're doing it. Sew and iron. Now we're done sewing. We're going to cut out hanging threads because we want our work to be neat as possible. And then I'm going to go ahead to press it well. Notice how I'm pressing on it. Don't just iron shabbily. You want to press really hard on it so your work can come out clean. Now I'm going to go ahead to fold my edges. I'm using 0.25 to fold the edges. That's 0.25 and then another 0.25. Then you want to use your pin to blast it. Yeah, you want to pin it, fold it and pin it. As beginners, pins are your best friends. You need pins a lot. Do not be afraid to pin. Be generous with your pins. It helps hold your fabric in place. After pinning it, I'm going to go ahead to press it again. That way it holds it in place. Now let's go ahead to repeat this process on all 4 sides. We're going to pin generously, press it well. Remember to fold, pin, press afterward to take this to the sewing machine. And sew on all 4 sides. As you sew, you can proceed to remove your pins while sewing so that you don't step on it. But if you're certain you wouldn't step on it, you can also leave it there. At this point, we've come to the end of sewing our straight lines and we're also done folding it. You should practice this as many times as possible until you can do it without drawing the lines. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on your notification button so that whenever I upload the next video, you'll be notified. I would also love to see pictures of your practicals. Thank you so much, and it's been fun recording this for you. Goodbye.